What's going on, everyone? Salinas Modz here, and in this video we're going to be changing out the headlights on this D150 and cutting off the original muffler on this truck as well. Let's get started with the video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. I think it should be about right here. Hit the like button over here and drop a comment if you guys have any questions. Look under here, this is the original muffler. And I could tell because it has that, where is it, right there it is, that Chrysler, original Chrysler emblem. So we're gonna start off by cutting right here and right there once we have access. So that's why we're taking off the tire. Guys, so quick change of plans. We tried cutting it from right here and we don't have enough access because of the muffler. So we're gonna cut right here and then from there cut that end and pull this whole muffler out once this is detached. And from there we have to take this whole rest of the pipe off, and that's just being held by this hanger right here. So first off, cut right here, cut on that end, take the muffler off, and then get the rest of this piece out of this hanger. So let's see if that plan works out.
Damn. You see me?
All right, let's see what it sounds like.
Got a cherry bomb here, glass pack muffler. It's a 10-inch, I believe. These are from Cherry Bomb.
All right, see if they slip right on there.
Nope.
They're both 2-inch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, so since we weren't able to get this cherry bomb on there, since we're missing some tools, we're gonna leave it like that for now and eventually put the muffler right here in this area so that we could be able to get the side exit tip about right here. So that's what I'm assuming. They're gonna put it right there, and then from there bend this pipe out this way. So at least we did the majority of the work getting all the old stuff out of there, so once they get to tackle this project, they could just install it. All right, now we're gonna be moving on to the headlights because we got new headlight bulbs and housing. So we're gonna get that out so that we can put the new one in. There's some screws in here. Already got those taken out. So we got this piece off already for the passenger side. Got my dad over there cleaning the inside of the headlight backing. Here's a new headlight and here's the old headlight. Quick comparison. Very nice quality, made by Octane Lighting. And I ain't sponsored, so I'm just saying my own opinion on this. Here's the old light, Sylvania halogen, and here it says Octane. Very nice.
Oh, here we go.
So as we're installing the new headlight, we noticed that it was having some rubbing issues back here. So we made some minor cuts so that we could bend the metal backwards, have full clearance with this new headlight. As you can see now, it fits in there flush how it should. Oh yeah, look at that difference. We got the fishbowl over here. Got the brand new white light over here. So here's the final outcome of these new headlights. And they're a little bit blue since you can see the headlight bulb behind there has that tint on there. But once you turn on the lights, they're not blue. They're like a white since these are halogen bulbs. Now we got them new headlights on there, the muffler cut. Let's take this thing for a ride. See how she runs and drives. Alright, so we out here in Fort Clark Springs taking a spin on the D150 after the new headlight replacement and the muffler cutout. So far it's riding real smooth. We did air up the tires to about 35 psi because they were very low. And so far it's been shifting into each gear. First, second, and third very smoothly. See hands off the steering wheel. Pretty straight to me. The belt does need to be changed, so if you do hear some squeaking, that's probably because of that old belt squeaking. Other than that, I don't see any issues with it. Like that little puncher right now. See what she sounds like, letting her rip. Let's see. Oh yeah, real smooth. Yes sir. Se raja la troquita. So y'all can see how straight this thing is. No hand on the steering wheel. It is pulling slightly to the left, but nothing too crazy. All right, let's do a little pull, see what it has. So the next thing we're planning on doing on this truck, this headlight whole front assembly is a little faded, and the lens on the bottom is cracking. So we're gonna go ahead and see what we could do, find those online, and from there hopefully order a new set of those and possibly a new grill. That'll change the whole front end look. But other than that, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like this content, feel free to drop a like, subscribe. It does help out the channel. And drop a comment if you guys have any questions. Without further ado, we out.